Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete a bank account in Xero. The process is very simple, so let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see some options like Dashboard, Business, Accounting, Projects, and Contacts. Click on Accounting. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Advanced. Now, under Advanced, select Chart of Accounts. Once it loads, you'll see a list of all your accounts, including your bank accounts. If you've added any bank accounts, you'll find them listed here. Just check the box next to the bank account you want to delete. Then, click Delete and confirm by clicking OK. Alternatively, you can also go back to Accounting and instead of clicking Advanced, choose Bank Accounts, which is the first option. Here again, you'll see all your bank accounts. Select the checkbox next to the one you want to delete, click Delete and then OK to confirm. And that's it. Your bank account will be successfully deleted from Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.